What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a dynamic ad creative tester that generates headlines in bulk right here in Claude. So let's get started. To build our ad creative tester that generates headlines in Claude, we're going to instruct Claude. So we're going to tell Claude, act as an expert SaaS product designer and full stack engineer and build a production quality web application called Bulk Headline Generator. The clean, modern interface inspired by Linear and Vercel. The application should allow users to paste a product URL or a landing page and click Generate Headlines. When the URL is submitted, simulate analyzing the page by extracting or generating realistic product information, including the product name, target audience, key benefits, unique selling point, and brand voice. Use this information to generate the headlines. If the URL cannot be analyzed, automatically generate believable sample product details so the workflow always works. Generate 50 unique advertising headlines across 10 proven marketing angles with 5 headlines per angle. The angles are direct benefits, problem solution, curiosity, social proof, urgency, fear of missing out, emotional, authority, luxury, and value. The headline should be concise, persuasive, and suitable for Meta's and Google Ads. Display the results in a clean interface grouped by marketing angle. Allow users to copy individual headlines, copy all headlines within an angle, regenerate a single angle, and export all headlines. Include a loading animation. The headlines are being generated and support light and dark mode with a fully responsive design. Generate our bulk headline generator tool right here in Claude. I'm going to hit enter. And here we're going to give it a few seconds for it to generate our tool for us. So let's give it a second for it to do that. Here you can see it successfully generated our headline generator tool right here. This is really impressive. So here you can see what is in the tool. You can see a simulated analysis. We paste our URL, redomain, then matches it against 6 categories, then generates our headlines, generates a total of 50 headlines, 10 unique angles. Then there are interactions. The US details right here. You can preview our, as you can see from our tool. So here's our tool. You can choose to download the code right here. I'm going to choose to just preview our tool. So this is the tool that just built us. We told it to name it Bulk Headline Generator. So it's going to generate for us 50 headlines with 10 unique angles with just one click. You can see the copy right here. Turn any product page into 50 ad ready headlines. All you have to do is just paste the product or the landing page URL right here, and then the tool will proceed to generate for us 50 headlines from 10 unique angles. You can see right here. You can also toggle between either the light or dark theme. I like the dark theme right here. So let us try pasting an example product URL right here to generate headlines. So here I've pasted this link right here. Click on generate headlines to generate our headlines. You can see it successfully generated our headlines almost immediately after we clicked the button, and it generated for us these headlines, a total of 50 headlines from the 10 unique angles right here, like direct benefit, problem solution, curiosity, social proof, urgency, fear of missing out, emotional authority, luxury, and value. This is really incredible. So it starts by identifying the company, choose GHG drink. Here's the audience we're trying to target. Here are the key benefits, unique selling points, and the brand voice to use. And go over our headlines. So for the direct benefit angle, it's generated for us the 5 unique headlines over here. This is really incredible. These headlines lead with the concrete payoff. What the buyer gets stated plainly. Right here, you can see the 5 headlines. So you can choose to regenerate right here if they're not so pleasant here. And if you feel like you're satisfied with the headlines, so you have to just copy them right here. And you can paste the headlines to a spreadsheet or a database. Same with the problem solution angle. So with this angle, these headlines, they name the frustration first, then position the product as the fix. And here you can see our 5 unique headlines right here. So if you're not so pleased with these headlines, you can choose to regenerate them again right here if you'd like. And then if you're satisfied with these headlines, you can just copy them and paste them to a spreadsheet or a database. Here is another angle, which was a curiosity angle. So for the curiosity angle, the headlines, they open with a small information gap. the reader has to click to close, and here you can see the list of the headlines right here. You can choose to regenerate the headlines again if you're not so pleased with the headline, and then if you're pleased with the headlines, you can just copy them right here and paste them to a spreadsheet. Here is another unique angle, the social proof angle. So these are headlines that borrow confidence from the crowd already using the product, and here you can see the list of the headlines. To regenerate the headlines, all you have to just regenerate right here, and you can copy the headlines, put them to a database or a spreadsheet. The other unique angle is the urgency, where these headlines are time constrained. It happens now, not later. And here you can see the list of the headlines. Here's the other angle, fear of missing out. These headlines they frame inaction as a risk. Everyone else is already ahead. And you can see the list of the headlines, and copy the headlines that you're pleased with and paste them to a spreadsheet or a database. You can see the other angle right here is the emotional angle, where these angles they speak to how it feels to own it, not just what it does. And then here you can see the list of the headlines right here. You can choose to regenerate the headlines, and then just bulk copy them and paste them to a spreadsheet if you're satisfied with the headlines. Same with authority. These headlines are lean on expertise and credibility to lower perceived risk. And here you can see the list of the headlines. To regenerate the headlines, so click over here to regenerate the headlines and copy the headlines that pleases you and paste them to a spreadsheet or a database. Same with luxury. So these headlines it sells status and craft for buyers who decide on feel, not price. And you can see the list of the headlines from the angle. You can regenerate the headlines right here by clicking over here, then copy the headlines and paste them to a spreadsheet if you're pleased with the angle. The last one was value, where these headlines they make the price to benefit math obvious for cost conscious buyers. And here you can see the list of the headlines. You have to just to regenerate the headlines, so you have to just click on regenerate right here to regenerate the headlines. And then after you've regenerated the headlines and you're pleased, you can copy them and paste them to a spreadsheet or a database. This is incredible. This is a bulk headline generator tool that we successfully generated right here in Claude with zero coding and for absolutely free. We can try generating headlines for a different product. All we have to do is enter the website right here, click on generate headlines. Here, so you can see it detected the company name right here, audience right here, people who want good food without effort. You can see key benefits right here, unique selling points, and the brand voice. Then it went ahead and generated for us our headlines right here, total of 50 unique headlines from 10 different angles. So here you can see the headlines from the direct benefit angle right here. You can see 5 headlines from the problem solution angle. You can regenerate the headlines right here if you're interested right here. And here you can see the 5 headlines from the curiosity angle. And here you can see 5 headlines from the social proof angle. You can see the 5 headlines from the urgency angle. Here you can see the 5 headlines from the fear of missing out angle. Here you can also see 5 headlines from the emotional angle. Here 5 more headlines from the authority angle, from the luxury angle, and lastly from the value angle. So you can regenerate each headline from headlines from each angle right here. Then copy the headlines and paste them to a spreadsheet or a database if you're pleased with the headlines. To export all these headlines in bulk instead of manually copying and pasting, you can just click on export right here, and you can copy all headlines. You can download them as a text or a CSV file and upload to a spreadsheet or an Excel sheet. Here, this is incredible. Let us try generating a couple of more headlines from a different URL. We can try generating ad-ready headlines for a different company like this one right here. To do that, I'm going to click on generate headlines. Right here, so you can see it identify the company right here, the audience here, people who want their skin to look like these celebrity towers. You can see the key benefit right here, unique selling points, and the brand voice right here. And here you can see the headlines from the direct benefits angle. You can see the 5 headlines right here. Here you can see problem solution angle. You can see the 5 headlines right here. For the curiosity angle, you can see the 5 headlines right here. Remember, you can regenerate the headlines by clicking over here. For the social proof angle, here you can see the 5 headlines. For the agency angle, here you can see the headlines. For the fear of missing out angle, here you can see the 5 headlines right here. For the emotional angle, here you can see the 5 headlines. Same with the authority, luxury, and value. This is incredible. Now to export these headlines, you can click on export right here to copy the headlines or download them as a text or a CSV file. Let's try generating 50 more headlines for a different company. So we can try a different company right here, like this company right here, to generate the headlines for the company. I'm going to click on generate headlines right here. So here you can see it detected the company name, the audience, key benefits, the unique selling point, and the brand voice. And then for each of our angles, we generated 5 headlines. You can preview the headlines right here. So for the direct benefits angle, you can see the 5 headlines right here. Same with the problem solution angle, curiosity angle, the social proof angle, the agency angle, the fear of missing out angle, the emotional angle, the authority angle, the luxury angle, and lastly the value angle. This is incredible. You can try generating headlines for a different company by adding its URL right here. So we can try generating headlines for this company right here. So I'll click on generate headlines. You can see it detected the company right here, the audience, key benefits, unique selling point, and the brand voice. We generated a total of 50 leads for us right here from over 10 unique angles. So for the direct benefit angle, you can see the 5 headlines. Same with the problem solution angle, curiosity angle, social proof angle, agency angle, fear of missing out angle, the emotional angle, the authority angle, the luxury angle, and lastly the value angle right here. This is incredible. So we successfully generated these 50 unique headlines from our 10 angles using the simple tool that we created right here in Claude. Let's try generating a couple of more headlines from a different company. We can try a different company right here. Now to generate the headlines, I'll click on generate headlines right here. Here you can see it detected our company right here. Here's the target audience, key benefits, unique selling points, and the brand voice right here. And then now below you can see our 50 headlines that we generated for us right here from all our angles, total of 10 angles. So for the direct benefit angle, you can see our 5 headlines right here. For the problem solution angle, you can see our 5 headlines. Same with the curiosity angle here, social proof angle right here, agency angle right here, fear of missing out angle right here, emotional angle right here, authority angle right here, luxury angle right here, and lastly the value angle right here. This is incredible. So we successfully generated our 50 headlines from our 10 angles right here using the simple tool that we created right here in Claude. So we successfully built this headline generator that generates 50 ad-ready headlines automatically by pasting a website URL, product URL, or a landing page URL right here, and clicking on generate headline. And it detects the company name, the audience, key benefits, unique selling points, and the brand voice. Then here you can see the list of the headlines that it generated for us right here from 10 angles. Here, you can export by clicking this button right here to export all headlines either as a text or a CSV file. This is amazing. This is how you can build a bulk headline generator tool automatically without writing any code for absolutely free using Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.